I just uploaded my previous vlog right now, and it's live on my channel. If you haven't watched my Kerala trip, that is Kerala vlogs, please do watch it. And from the day I reached Chennai, it's continuously raining, but today's climate is different. I don't think any sign of rain would be there, and because I do have some plans to go out somewhere. So right now I need to clean my car, because from traveling this much I haven't cleaned my car yet, and it's in very dirty condition. So I need to clean that car. And one tragic thing happened right now. A tragic thing happened right now. Shooting this vlog, I just sat on my bed and forgot that there was specs where I was sitting. So the specs broke, and it happened into two conditions. I'm very much sad. I recently brought this. It's not even like a month, so I don't know if this will get changed or anything. So yeah, I'm sad. It's time to clean the car, and I didn't thought that it would be this much dirty. So going out right now to the shop so that I can check if that specs can be repaired or not. If one thing happens, other thing, many problems start. By the way, my car is clean. We just washed and everything. So yeah, it's looking like new again. So actually guys, I went to the shop, that is I brought the specs from Lenskart, and they told that if you had taken insurance then only full replacement would have been done, but now no chance, I have to use it that way only. So I found some adjustments and jugaad, and I did something so that it can be fixed and used it. Otherwise I had to pay again. It's not even 1 month I brought it, that one. It's okay. So right now I am heading to some place. I'll reach and tell you where I'm going. So it's going to be busy road according to the map. So yeah. So guys, right now I am at Phoenix Market City, and this is the, like, you guys know right how big the Phoenix is. So I came for shopping for my mom and dad, so they are having fun. So guys, they are enjoying the shopping and everything. So a small glimpse of Phoenix Market City, how it looks like from the outside. So guys, we spent around 4 hours in the mall, so we don't know. So right now I can see it's late, it's even dark. When we came, it was it was evening time, and now it's fully dark. So I don't know how 4 hours spent. So and also took around 20 minutes to search for the parking, and finally I got the parking lot. So yeah, I'll meet you guys once I reach home. So finally home guys, and I'm so much tired that like we spent around 4 years there, and finding the parking was the main task, and it was so tiring that finally I'm home and need to go and freshen up, and then having dinner and then sleep directly. This is the next day guys. Actually I slept for around 12 hours. I was so tired and passed out. So today, right now, we are going out for a important work. If that works get done, you will see something in the next vlog or coming vlogs, and I'll tell you what I have done so that I can get it. So yeah guys, so let's hope that works get done. So yeah guys, the plan just now I made got flopped. Something joke has happened with me, because I thought of calling that person and confirming before leaving the house, so that he also reach in time and I also reach in time, so that everything is done so fast. So but what happened is I just confirmed the price with him regarding something. So what I offered and what he offered is something different. So I misfigured like what he offered, and I didn't see that price tag. So I just now confirmed that what is the price tag, and he told me this and that. So I told that if you are offering for me that, then it's fine, otherwise it's okay. So the deal got cancelled, and that a big joke that I didn't see that price was a mistake by my side. So yeah, so I'm right now ready and everything, so that I thought of leaving before that I confirmed. So yeah, so it became a joke about me. So it's okay. So we will change a plan. I had already planned something, by the way, apart from that. That I will go, as you know that I broke my specs by sitting on it. So I'll go to Lenskart from where I brought that, because I asked that person, he told bring that specs and we'll check what we have to do. So that was a nice guy there. So yeah, I'll go there. It's in Forum Mall, so I'll meet you guys if everything is okay or done properly. So I'll let you know what is going on, everything. So yeah, one good thing happened today, that is I replaced my glasses. So this is how the new specs looks like, and it's fully replaced. The other one was a red color, so that color wasn't available, so I got this one. It's also okay. I went to Lenskart and told that my specs are broken, so they told me show me, and they just replaced with a new one. So I have a brand new specs. I got a full replacement of that specs on the spot only. So a big applause to Lenskart for helping me out with that situation. So yeah, I'm happy right now. So done with the other works. So guys, I will be ending this vlog here. So if you enjoyed this vlog for whatsoever reason, do hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel. Till then, signing off. Adigos amigos, bye.